My name is Todd. I've spent my life creating. As an artist, a creative professional, a martial artist, a teacher, a lifelong student of Zen, I've always believed that life is a beautiful and curious adventure. I've raced cars, flown airplanes, jumped from the sky. I've explored the deep seas. I've explored mountains, beaches, and quiet places where life slows down. Every experience has taught me something. Not about adventure, about perspective. Because whether I'm designing a brand, building a website, teaching Tai Chi, or simply sharing a conversation over coffee, the goal is always the same: to help people become the very best version of themselves, professionally, personally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. I believe creativity solves problems. I believe stillness creates clarity. I believe small steps changes lives. If you're building a business, growing a career, looking for better health, or simply searching for more balance, I'd be honored to be part of your journey. I'm Todd. Let's create something meaningful together.